Okay, today we're going to do a review of exponential growth and decay. First off, let's talk about exponential function. If you remember, standard form is y equals b to the x. And when x was equal to 0, y is equal to 1. And as x goes to negative infinity, y goes to 0. And as x goes to positive infinity, y goes to positive infinity. And it looks like the graph in the upper right-hand corner. An exponential growth can be expressed in two ways. The first way is when the base is greater than 1 and the exponent x is greater than 0. You're going to end up with an exponential growth function on the left. However, if the base is between 0 and 1 and x is less than 0, you will also end up with an exponential growth function. So let's look at an example of this. Here's the function y equals 2x. This same graph can be written in as a different function. Y equals 1/2 to the negative x is the exact same function. Now let's talk about why this is true. Well, notice that 1/2 can be written as 2 to the negative 1. And then we're going to take that to the negative x power. Multiplying our negative 1 with our negative x is going to give us 2 to the x, which is the first function. So y equals 2 to the x and y equals 1/2 to the negative x are the exact same function, just written differently. Exponential decay is when the base is between 0 and 1 and the exponent is greater than 0, or when the base is larger than 1 and the exponent is less than 0. Again, here's another example. For instance, if you have 1/2 to the third, that can be written as 2 to the negative 1 to the third. Multiplying the exponents together, we get 2 to the negative 3. So, when the base is between 0 and 1 and the exponent's positive, that's the same as when the base is greater than 1 and the exponent is negative. These two things are the same. So remember, when dealing with exponential growth and decay, you must look at the base value as well as the exponent value in order to determine whether it's an exponential growth function or an exponential decay function. If you're still confused, you can come to tutoring or ask me in class tomorrow. See you then.